So you've clicked on this video because you want to start dropshipping, and you're probably on the fence about it because you don't know if it still works. A lot of people are saying dropshipping is dead in 2024 and that it just genuinely doesn't work anymore. But as someone who has made over 5 figures in dropshipping, today I'll give you my advice. Now firstly, I want to make it extremely clear that dropshipping is not dead. Whoever says dropshipping is dead either hasn't done it or they themselves are failing to make dropshipping work. And if you don't believe me, well, keep watching and I'll explain how I made well over 5 figures in dropshipping. And some of those stores I've documented on my YouTube channel. So dropshipping 100% works and I still make money to this day. Now let's say you want to start dropshipping. How do you do it? Well, there are over 1,000 tutorials on YouTube teaching you how to dropship. But I'll break it down onto simplest terms on how you can start today and make money on dropshipping. Now before I do that, I firstly want to say that if you do want to make money on dropshipping, don't expect to make 5 to 6 figures overnight. Dropshipping is a process, but once you understand how it works, there is no reason why you cannot make 6 figures easily. I've been dropshipping since 2015 and in the beginning I made no money. And honestly, it was frustrating, and the reason being was because I was a total novice. I didn't really understand how dropshipping works like I do now. And back then there were no tools to help you create your website. You pretty much had to create a website that will convert all by yourself. But later on I'll explain how you can use a specific tool which will help you create a website that will convert much better. But not only that, finding products relied a lot on guesswork and some research. But it wasn't as easy as things are done today. So let me explain the 3-step formula that you can use to start dropshipping and make some money. Step number 1 is finding your winning product. Now you can do this in numerous ways. You can use TikTok and use hashtags like Amazon Finds or TikTok made me buy it. Or you can create a brand new account and only watch dropshipping product videos. This way the algorithm will feed you more of those videos, and through this you can find a product that is going viral with good comments. Another thing that you can use is a product research tool. I've always used tools like ShopHunter. This will help you find your winning product by looking at stores that are doing well. I have put their link in the description down below. Now let's say you found your winning product. What do you need to do next? Well, step number 2 requires you to create a store. Now when you're creating your store, the first thing that you need to do is sign up to Shopify. There are a lot of other platforms that you can use, but most people, including myself, use Shopify. The reason being because it's very easy to use and extremely affordable. So what you're then going to do is make a one product store. Now a lot of people think that doing a general store is better because you can test with different products, and I completely disagree because I've always used a one product store. And the reason being because if you do your research correctly and find your winning product, then it will almost certainly do well. And testing with other products means more money spent on ads. So just some advice, avoid a general store altogether and go with a one product store. Now you also need to create branding around the store, and you can use ChatGPT to help come up with the name for your product and store. You can then use Canva to make a logo for you. This step isn't that important, so don't spend too much time creating the perfect logo or coming up with a perfect name. Just try to keep the name and design simple and make it look good. Now the next step is that you need to design your store. And why most dropshippers fail is because they always select a free theme. Now although I personally have made some money using a free theme, it is nowhere near compared to how much money I made by using a paid theme. The paid theme is what allowed me to generate 5 figures in only a few days. This has allowed me to always convert on my winning product. And the reason being is because the paid theme that I have been using has a design and structure in place to help you convert. So which paid theme am I talking about? Well, the paid theme that I'm talking about is DEBUTIFY. DEBUTIFY is a fantastic theme that sets a standard for your dropshipping store. It served me well for all my dropshipping stores and has made me so much money. So let me show you guys how you can get this theme. Make sure to click my link in the description or the pinned comment. Once you click that link, this is the screen you'll see. You then need to click right over here where it says free trial, then sign up using your email address. Once you've signed up and created an account, you then need to sign in to Shopify. Once you've signed up, just copy the URL of your Shopify website and paste it into this box and verify the URL. After that, just click on connect and get theme. It'll then ask you a few questions, but you just download the default theme. Once downloaded, you just drag it over here and add it onto Shopify. It will then install this theme for you. Now this theme is honestly amazing and so easy to use. You'll see this screen and you can add things like sticky add to cart. You can edit and add the announcement bar over here. You can add your own custom logo and change up the size. That's just some of many things that you can do with this theme. This theme allows you to make a simple but effective website that will convert. And not only that, they have great 24/7 support. The theme is super quick to use, edit and install. It's also mobile friendly as well, which is extremely important. And you can use it to build a one product store, a general store, a print on demand store, or a specific niche brand store that you're aiming at. I have a link for DEBUTIFY down below. The link in my description will give you 20% off for 3 months to get started. And the best part is you get a 14-day free trial with no upfront costs. So again, make sure you click my link in the description and sign up to DEBUTIFY. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now that you've created your website using DEBUTIFY, you have almost everything ready for the next step. So the final step is creating ads. Now before I talk about ads, I want to first explain to you that you can make money doing this by using the organic method. The organic organic method is ordering the product on AliExpress and then creating viral content around it. The way you can do this is by looking on TikTok and seeing how other products went viral and then using a similar framework when creating your videos. But what I will say for a fact is that there is much more potential to make money paying for ads than there is doing the organic method. So if you are starting dropshipping for the first time and you don't have much of a budget, you can try the organic method. But remember, it does take money to make money. Therefore, I will recommend doing ads. Now, if you do go for the paid ads route, you can again order the product and make a viral video around it. However, trust me when I say, especially if you're new to this, you're going to waste a lot of time and money doing this. The best thing to do is to get proven ads created for you by Viral Ecom Adz. They will basically create proven to convert video ads around your product for you, so you don't even need to order the product. So if you are doing video ads, which platform should you use? I tend to normally use TikTok, but you can use Facebook as well. Facebook does do well, but sometimes it does depend on your product. But TikTok for me personally has always worked well and it's never let me down. Now, creating ads for TikTok is important because most times it's trial and error. You need to understand how your ads are working and what ads to focus on. So there will be some money lost on ads that aren't doing well, but the ads that are doing well, you can really focus on them and scale them. And this in turn can make you a lot of money. I've done this same strategy in all the stores that you can see on your screen now. Now, how do you actually do TikTok ads? So there is some strategy on how to set up your ads, and it also sometimes depends on the product you're advertising. Now, I have made a separate video on how to do a low budget TikTok ad strategy, which I will link in the description below. Now, I am going to be creating an in-depth TikTok ad strategy, which will only be found on my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. Now, the Ultimate Wealth Circle, it's a group of like-minded individuals who are looking to network and make money online. So if you want to join that, it's completely free for a limited time. Make sure you click the link in the description. And I have documented some of my dropshipping stores that have made me some crazy money. So make sure you click one of the videos that you can see on your screen now, and I'll see you guys there.